In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SVG icons to a Figma project quickly and efficiently. If you're a designer looking to speed up your workflow or simply want to learn a new technique in Figma, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to Figma, which is known as the Collaborative Interface Design tool. If you haven't already, you will need to navigate to their website. Once there, the next step is to log into your account. This is straightforward, just ensure you enter your credentials to access all your designs and get started with this process. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage all your projects and drafts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to this platform, as it's always beneficial to know your way around. Next, locate and click on the Design option. This is where we will be conducting the majority of our work today. By doing so, you are effectively entering the Figma workspace, ready to begin incorporating SVG icons. Now, with the design interface open, click on Action. This button is essential as it houses a variety of commands and tools that will help us in adding SVGs. Once within the Action menu, you're going to search for Iconify. Iconify is an excellent Figma plugin that gives you quick access to thousands of ready-to-use icons, perfectly suited for this task. Go ahead and input Iconify into the search bar and locate the plugin. Clicking on Iconify will open it up within the Figma environment ready for use. This plugin is very intuitive and user-friendly, so even if it's your first time, you'll be navigating it like a pro in no time. To finalize our process, you will then click on Run. This command will initiate the Iconify plugin, allowing you to search and import the SVG icons directly into your Figma project. The vast library of icons available means you're bound to find something that fits perfectly with your design needs. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully learned how to add SVG icons to your Figma project using the Iconify plugin. This method not only saves time, but also enhances your design capabilities by offering a wider variety of icon options at your fingertips. Practice these steps regularly, and pretty soon adding SVG icons to your design projects will be second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.